Hello friends, how are you? As you know, I am Mubin and you are watching Technical Zamana. So today my video is about how to make a box with the paper. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and comment so I can understand that you have seen my video. So let's start the video. Please subscribe to my channel, press bell icon so you can get my videos notification. Fold it like this and then fold it like this. So you can see we have folded twice time, and over there you can see the 1 2 3 4 pages. If we do like this and if we do like this, we can get 2 pages. So over there, first you will open first page and put your finger at the till there here. So you can see I have put in the finger, and over there you can see it clearly. So now fold it to the line. You can see it over there, the line. Fold it there, and blah blah blah, or it's done. Do this thing with this paper also. This paper. I think it's your first time making the paper. So you can see it after doing this step, you can see the page that is open from here. So first you will fold this page to over there, and you can see the line is uh, that was having a gap. Now it's not having a gap. So turn your page and you can see over there that you are having over there 3 pages. So you can see the first page, turn this page to here. So you can see the front at the back, it's same. So now you will turn take your first page and turn it here till the line. You can see it, I think. Sorry, my camera is not working clearly. Camera got damaged. So put the rotate the line. Sorry, and do this with the next, and you can see it's done. And fold it the page and do this thing again. Sorry. So this line is also done. So you can see it both sides we have folded the page, and you can see it over there. Tear the page from the center. Now you can see I have teared the page. Now you can see this line. Till this line you will fold the page. Sorry, don't know what happens today to me. And do this thing with the next page again. So you have done this thing with this page and this line also. So do this thing again with the next side, and now you can see it's done. And over there you can see we have made the gap to we have made the gap because to put this thing inside. So first you will take the page and fold it and put it inside the paper. Now you can see we can see more cleaner than this. Do this thing again with the next page. Put it inside, okay, not outside. You can see it I'm putting inside. So that's done. Do this thing with this side also. So I think the video was too long, and so now it's done with this and this side. So you can see this corner folded in the end. So it's done, and my box is ready. It's looking like email box. You can fold it over there if you want, or you can fold it like this. So now open the box and enjoy your life. Now you can see our box, and it's ready. It's too beautiful. We can make money box also. So that we can make money box also. So now I will tell you how to make a money box. I have made one more box for telling you that how to make a money box. So take one box and put it inside. So now you can see my money box is ready, and also you can make the box. It's too easy. Okay, I will tell you now how to put a cut and use the money box. So you will need a scissor. Take out the box with the box and put it the line. So I have put in a cut over there, and now I am putting again inside. So now you can see it. I have covered it. You can put a tape over there, but I don't have right now. Also you can put a glue. It's much better than putting a glue. So over there you can see I have put in a cut and my money box is ready. So now I will tell you. You can put coin or either money. It's ready. Yeah. So I'm also telling you that we can put coin also. You can see